Meet Vasya, a high schooler who loves hockey more than physics. One day, he skips homework to watch a match, and his teacher decides to teach him a rules. The task? Determine if a body in space is in equilibrium, meaning all the forces acting on it cancel out. Alright, let's code this out. So first, we take input for the number of forces. Now for each force, we just add up its x, y, z components. If all three sums end up being 0, that means Buster's body isn't going anywhere, it's peacefully balanced. Basically, we're checking if all pushes and pulls cancel each other out.